Every pH sensor of the Daruifuno brand must undergo strict testing before leaving the factory. So how do we test it? Today, I will take you through a brief look at our pH sensor testing process. Equipment required. Recording of standard solution temperature value. Clean the thermometer in pure water and put it into the 9.18 pH standard solution. After the temperature stabilizes, fill in the temperature value into the corresponding serial number pH sensor detection record table. Clean the thermometer before testing the temperature value of the second standard solution. Then record the 3 temperature values in the detection record table in order. The pH sensor to be tested detects the pH of the standard solution. Connect the pH sensor to be tested to the controller and remove the protective liquid bottle. After cleaning the pH sensor in pure water, put it into the 9.18 pH standard solution. After the pH value stabilizes for more than 3 seconds, record the pH value in the table. Continue to clean the pH sensor in pure water and put it into the 6.86 pH standard solution. After the pH value stabilizes for more than 3 seconds, record the pH value in the table. Record the measured pH value of the standard solution in the detection record table in order. Determine whether the pH sensor to be tested is qualified. Fill in the measured temperature and pH value into the detection record table, and calculate the 0 pH value, acid slope and alkali slope based on the test table. As shown in the table, the measured indicator parameters of the pH sensor are all within the requirements of the testing standards, that is, it is qualified.